believe it.
Yeah, she's out there now. Did I hear somebody say they had marine gas?
Yes, Gaetan just filled a 5-gallon jug and he said you're more than welcome to it. Well, I see.
Jim and I are having engine problem, and everybody rafted up. We couldn't get our motor going to get up and join them, so they're using their trolling motor to move the whole raft down to us. Here they come. They've got some marine gas, so Jim's going to try that. We made the mistake of putting pump gas with ethanol in and have had problems the whole trip. We're hoping that the marine gas makes a big difference. If it doesn't, we'll have to get pulled out tomorrow. Now, is this a beautiful night or what?
I envy that.
24 hours, it's credit card.
Somebody just hollered to be prepared to be boarded, but I'm wondering if it's be prepared to be rammed.
Down here to meet us with a trolling motor. Powering all
To the rescue!
all four of them. Harold's taking a video of
I think it runs better in reverse.
One guy has a 5-gallon pail of marine gas. So we're going to dump that in and
Set it on
we
speed
should be able to
3
try it
at
out
night.
right here.
And it ran until noon the next day, and my lawnmower battery was still 3/4 dead. There's a lot of water in here.
They're almost here.
They're coming down here. One of them has
All 4 boats are tied together in a raft, and they're using the trolling motor on the front of Big Duck, the yellow and white boat, to move them down here.
Yeah, they're like 30 feet from us. I gotta get out and grab a line. Okay. Bye.
I guess I better prepare to fend off.
They just didn't get her to hold out more. That's right. You need a little carpet to put a little Twinkie on there and let it in. A brown Twinkie there so she'll know what to do.
Hey, you know there's a speed limit on this river.
Jim just hollered, there's a speed limit on this river.
Just in case we try and snap it off at them. Because we're not sure we can stop this thing. Oh, we're not going to fend. We could fend it off.
You don't think this anchor would hold y'all?
Guess I better prepare to go to work.